Hi, welcome to Concept Arena. In this video, we'll discuss about the amendment in supply of service of lottery. So, there is amendment in valuation of supply of service in case of lottery. Okay, so Rule 31A. Rule 31A 2 provides for the value of supply of service in case of lottery. Okay. So earlier there was a two rates were prescribed. First was if the lottery is run by state government, in that case the rate was 12%, and if the lottery is authorized by state government, in that case 28% was the rate prescribed. So now the amendment has been done, and with effect from 1st of March 2020. Now with effect from 1st of March, for all the cases, whether it's run by the state government or authorized by the state government, for all cases one single rate, that is 28%. So this is the amendment. We can read it from the text also in the next slide. So here you can see Rule 31A 2 of the CGST rules provides the value of supply in case of lottery. Earlier, separate valuation mechanism were provided for lottery run by the state government and lottery authorized by the state government. However, with effect from 1st of March 2020, Sub-Rule 2 of Rule 31A has been amended to provide that the value of supply of lottery will be higher of 100 by 128 of the face value of ticket, or 100 by 128 of the price. So effectively, what is the tax rate? Tax rate is 28%. Okay, so this is the amendment. Okay, thank you.